Let's unbox my first ever new skin order together. I am so excited. Let's open her up. It's a small box, but trust me, she's mighty. Let's have a look. The first new skin product that was a must try for me is their AP24 Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. Not only does it lighten your teeth through a combination of 3 ingredients, the extra benefits and key features are that it leaves your mouth with a long-lasting feeling of smoothness and cleanliness. And what I'm really amped about is the fact that it has a vanilla and mint flavor. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, and best believe me, I will most definitely be sharing my before and after results with you. So stay tuned for that. I can't tell you how excited I am about this next product. This is the Nu Skin's Nutricentials Pillow Glow Sleeping Mask. I am so excited for this, you don't even understand. This product has bioadaptive botanicals within it, which will help my skin to adapt to its natural environment. This is a plus for me because I will be traveling to a different climate very soon. I'm so excited for the instant hydration this will provide my skin, as well as the glowy, luminous look my skin will have. Yes, yes, yes. I'll also be sharing my progress and my thoughts surrounding this product with you. So stay tuned for that.